Ladies and gents, welcome to another vlog. We are in no other but Hancock, New York. Hancock, New York. Now, if you're wondering where it is, I don't quite know either. I just know that it's a town upstate. And what am I doing? I just had a bunch of food. I had a Philly cheesesteak just now with my mommy, and yeah, it was okay. It was, I would not say it's like OMG kind of cheesesteak, but who would? And now I have a 16-mile ride home. 16 miles. Can he do it? Yes, he can. And I'm trying to decide if I want to go on back roads or if I want to go on the highway, and I think I'm going to go on the highway. I mean, back roads. I'm disheveled a little bit, which is totally okay. Which is totally alright. Sorry, I didn't mean to flash you there, bro. Sorry. Alright. I don't normally ride at night. Why? Because I can't see shit. So, that is a big reason as to why I don't ride at night. And my mom was kind enough to give me a little sweater. So we were leaving the diner and all the people were just like, what the fuck are you doing? Because I literally put on this tiny little sweater. It's all like funny colored. You know? Don't tell me about style. So I've been riding all day. That's not true. I left the house at 3 and now it's like 8. I gotta be on the lookout for deer, because them's is the real enemy. Then you look, there'll be no other cars. Just me. Sharp little turn coming up. The stars, gorge. Trying to decide if I should pick up some beers or not. Maybe. A little 6-pack perhaps at the gas station there. We'll see. Might be a good idea. Might be worth it. Like, I don't really even need any beers, but could be fun. Could be fun to drink a few, you know? So much nicer with the jacket zipped up. I was getting chilly, straight up. That's the highway. I just went on an overpass. I'm actually surprised I haven't seen any deer yet. Look at this headlight. The thing is, the GoPro does not serve it justice. ¿Por qué? Why on earth is there a red light? Thank you. Not exactly sure. Still over 10 miles. I'm indeed looking forward to just sitting down for a minute. Beautiful. All right. Sorry for no commentary, but I am entirely too full of Philly cheesesteak. And I just didn't want to miss this opportunity to record a night ride. Fish is Eddie. Here we are. Sharp little turn. I like this chicane here. Nice little under over. Here we go, a little right and lefter. Section is a little bit bumpier and a little bit darker in a way, or even more closed off by the forest, so usually there's even more deer here. That is why I'm absolutely going the same exact speed. Funny. Funny, I've been on this road before, but I don't remember any of this. Kind of going blind at this point for no good reason. Bumpy. surprised how many cars I've seen already. I would imagine I'm the only silly person taking this road. What? Stop sign? ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué? Silly. I'm running this stop sign. There's no need to stop there. What are you, noobs? This road is bumpy as hell. Too bumpy. Too damn bumpy. Yeah, I'm gonna grab a 6-pack of Budweiser. I know it's not necessary, but nah. Oh boy. But of course. But of course. Go ahead, hit me with the brights. See if I care. Bumpy, bumpy, bumpalicious. This road is just bump, bump after bump. Alright, here we go. We are gonna get some beers, so I am gonna stop right here. Hopefully this place is not closed yet. Technically it's not 9 o'clock yet, so. Come on. I'm gonna get some beer and then call it a day. All right. Don't wanna. Look at these bikes. How's it going, man? You're riding a Hayabusa? Yeah. Oh, hell yeah.
Cold night, man.
Dude, it's cold. I had to pull over, zip up and everything.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Hey, it's getting chilly.
Oh, a little bit. How the fuck? Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?